Hey there, what's up everyone? Today we're going to make Kung Pao Chicken, Gong Bao Ji Ding. This is a classic Chinese dish that originated from the Sichuan province. I'm going to take you through step by step how to make this easy, quick but delicious stir fry. Let's go. First of all, get yourself a chicken breast and we're going to dice it into little cubes. Slice it in half and we're going to flip it back, adjust the chicken and we're going to cut it open into little strips about 1 centimeters wide. We're going to turn it 90 degrees and we're going to slice it so you get little chunks of chicken like so. Again, do the same for this piece. Now we're going to marinate the chicken. In the bowl, 1/3 teaspoon of salt, some white pepper, some ShaoXing cooking wine, about 1/3 cup, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce for some color, 1/2 tablespoon of water, and give it a mix. 1/2 teaspoon of potato starch. This is to give the chicken a bit of volume and make it nice and thick. And finally, 1 tablespoon of oil. This will make your chicken more velvety and easier for frying. There we are. So just leave that aside. And now we're going to prep some ingredients. Garlic and ginger, finely sliced. Spring onions, about 2 centimeters thick, some diced carrots and onions, Sichuan Peppercorns, and some dried chilies. This will give your dish a bit more of an authentic taste. A handful of peanuts, and now we're going to make a Kung Pao sauce. In a bowl, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1/2 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, chicken powder, 1/2 teaspoon, some sesame oil, and finally some Chinese vinegar. This is a core condiment, so add about 2 tablespoons. Give it a mix. So there we are. Alright guys, so now we have all our ingredients. We're ready to start cooking. Wok on, heat up your wok, get it nice and hot. Oil, heat up your oil, chicken in. Stir the chicken, make sure it doesn't stick. Garlic and ginger in. And now we strain it. Quick wash. Heat up your wok again. Get it nice and hot. Oil, peppercorn, onions, carrots, spring onions. Fry. Chicken. Fry. Sauce. Yeah. Woo! Peanuts. And now we serve. This is how you make Kung Pao Chicken. Chicken. Amazing. Sweet, fruity, tangy, quick and easy stir fry for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a try and I'll catch you next time. Bye.